Hello YouTube, it's Fallen Souls 2000 with a homemade airsoft assault shield, and it's just we got a new dishwasher, and this here is just like the part that held it up in the box. And then just a little makeshift handle. Hold it up. It's like really super light, and I will shoot it from point blank to show that this little paper thin piece of wood is, stable. This is a 355 FPS airsoft shotgun, pump action. Get it at Dick's for about $30, $40, I don't remember. Got it like a year and a half ago. The BB did not go through. Left a little dent right there. But so airsoft riot shield, really super easy to make. Took me about 10 minutes minus paint drying, but just kind of need a new airsoft video. So comment, rate, subscribe, comment anything you'd like to see me try to make for airsoft. Show you how to make claymores. I will post a video for that. Okay, so subscribe, like,